Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking ginisang ampalaya with corned beef and sotanghon. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have sotanghon, eggs, tomato, corned beef, garlic, onion, olive oil, salt and pepper, fish sauce, and of course our ampalaya or bitter melon. So let's get started. Okay. I think our pan is hot now. We'll put olive oil. Okay. All right. This is very easy to cook. We'll put the onions first, because if you put the garlic first, there's a tendency to overcook the garlic, you know. And when you overcook the garlic, man, it will give a bit bitter taste. So I always put, as much as possible, I always put the onions first. Then I think it's time to put the garlic now. All right. Okay. All right. Let's cook this for 30 seconds or 1 minute. It's time to put the tomatoes. Okay. And a teaspoon of fish sauce. And let's cook this for another minute. Now let's check our tomatoes. Wow, tastes good. It smells good. Okay, this is the right time now to put our corned beef. All right. All right. Give it a good mix. And we're gonna saute this for 1 minute, just 1 minute, because the corned beef is cooked already, you know. All right, so let's cover it. After 1 minute, let's check the corned beef. Wow, it's good. Now this is the time to add our bitter melon or ampalaya. There you go. Then we'll mix it good. We'll probably cook this for just 2 minutes. We don't overcook vegetables, remember? So this is good when you eat it half cooked. All right. But before we cover it, let's add a little of black pepper. And we'll cover it. After 2 minutes, let's check the bitter melon. Wow. Smells real good. Whew. This is good. Now this is the time to put we add our eggs. We're gonna cook the egg first before we stir it, okay? It's 1 minute and the egg will be cooked. And then the last thing we're gonna put is the glass noodles, or we call it sotanghon, which we soak into the water and we cut them. by scissors. So the glass noodles is already soft. So it will take only a minute to cook with a bitter melon. Now I guess we can stir it now. So the egg is cooked already. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna add our glass noodles. Okay. Put everything. And then we will stir again and mix it with the bitter melon. Wow, this is yummy. Okay, probably we can add just a little of water. That's it. Stir it again. Wow. Okay. We'll be right back. Here's our finished product, Ampalaya with corned beef. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. Thank you and have a good day.